Virgin Voyages has secrets. Not the red hammock or the fact there are no kids, and we're not talking about the incredible food either. I'm talking about the secret burger, the private silent disco, and the secret entertainment. Virgin Voyages is built on always included luxury, but there is a hidden layer to these ships that most sailors never see. And today I'm sharing a little known secrets and tips that will help you turn your great cruise into a legendary one. And if you stay until the end, I'll share one secret menu item that some people claim is worth the trip alone. The first secret, the secret entertainment. While on board, keep an eye out for the phantom folktales, or their microplays happening around the ship. These spontaneous performances appear with performers emerging from the crowd to tell stories and sing, and then vanish. They offer more of an intimate artistic experience rather than the traditional large-scale stage shows. These musical performances have a very folksy vibe with some narrations to tell a quick, ghostly story. The easiest way to find these is to roam the halls on decks 6 and 7 leading up to Scarlet Night. There will be several performances throughout the ship that night, preparing everyone for the evening's grand party on the pool deck. On other days, you'll want to keep a lookout for several members of the Happenings cast around a particular area and intermixing with the passengers. This is a pretty good sign that something unique and special is about to happen. The second secret is the Happenings cast strategy. So I just mentioned the Happenings cast. With Virgin, you forget about the traditional cruise director. Virgin has the Happenings cast. They're a team of entertainers, some of which are specialists, like the gamer, the artist, and of course their resident drag queen, the diva. The secret here is to either follow them on social media or engage with them early on day one. Because unlike other lines, these cast members have the power to invite you to exclusive, unlisted pop-up events. Things like a private tequila tasting with the hostess, or a hidden magic show with the charmer, or even one of these microplays I just mentioned. These events never appear on the official app schedule. But if you engage with the different cast members, you're more likely to get invited to one of these secret events and maybe be even included in. Plus, even if you don't get invited to one of these secret shows or events, connecting with the Happenings cast can really enhance your entertainment experience. On our first voyage on Valiant Lady, we met and got to know the cowboy. After that first meetup, every time we saw him at other events and parties, he would come over and interact with us and keep the energy up. We saw him again on the Scarlet Lady, and the party just kept going. And speaking of getting benefits from engaging, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you're notified when we post more travel content and advice and when we have special offers. Plus, it really helps us to help you see more. Third secret, the giant balcony hack. Are you traveling with friends or in the cabin next door? Most people don't realize that the balcony partitions aren't just walls, they're actually doors. On day one, ask your cabin host to unlock the balcony. They can open the partition and create one massive shared outdoor terrace that's perfect for those sunset cocktails with your travel buddies. You won't have to walk out in the hallway to get there or try to crowd onto a single sea terrace. Also, if this secret has you thinking about getting your own friends together for your own Virgin voyage, hang on to the end where we are presenting a sailing with exclusive pricing you won't find on Virgin Voyages' website. The fourth secret, the 2 a.m. pizza strategy. The pizza place is open until 2 a.m., but at 1 a.m., after the nightly party in the manor closes, the line is a disaster. The secret here? Use Ship Eats app feature to order a custom pizza to a public space instead of your room. You can find a quiet spot in the rotunda or the dock house, order via the app, and have the pizza delivered where you are, and completely bypass waiting in line in the counter. You can also have it delivered to your room, but for cabin delivery there is a service fee. The white pizza truffle is the fan favorite, but people say you really should ask for a side of the spicy honey. I know I'm going to try that next time I'm on board. The fifth secret, the silent disco. Everyone loves the massive silent disco in the manor. It's fun, but it is crowded. However, there's another option. Sometimes the cast members will leave headsets in quiet corners of the ship, like the dockhouse or the aquatic club. Put them on with your friends, and you'll have your own mini silent disco. This is a much more intimate experience, and it lets you dance to the beat of your own drummer under the stars without that 500-person crowd. The sixth secret, the ship's symbol hunt. Here is something 90% of sailors miss. On the menus in the 20 plus eateries, look for the tiny ship symbol next to certain dishes. These are ship specific dishes. Since Virgin now has a fleet of 4 lady ships, they started to introduce exclusive recipes that only exist on that specific ship, like Brilliant Lady versus Resilient Lady. They have already started some differentiation on their ships with the new dining options at night with Razzle Dazzle. On board Brilliant Lady, you'll find the Spanish inspired Rojo. Scarlet Lady features Asian fusion of Lucky Lotus. And soon, the Valiant Lady will have Aria, featuring Indian cuisine. Stay tuned for what's coming with Resilient Lady. We haven't information on that yet. But even beyond these new dining concepts, across the 20 plus eateries, they've rolled out dishes that are unique to each ship, which are indicated by the ship symbol. If you see the symbol, order it. You won't find it any other cruise ship in the world. Seventh secret, the secret menus. Virgin is famous for ditching the buffets and including all their restaurants in your fare. But they've also created some secrets. The Razzle Dazzle burger is one. Everyone knows Razzle Dazzle is a vegetarian forward spot. The secret here, ask for the secret burger. It's a decadent double patty smash burger featuring blue cheese and tangy slaw. It's not listed in the standard printed menu, but is available upon request from many people, and many people rave that it puts the galley burgers to shame. And speaking of the galley, keep an eye on the daily specials. There's some unique offerings you may want to sample. But here's a pro tip. If you're into Indian food, politely ask your server at almost any sit-down restaurant if there's a traditional Indian side dish available. The crew often make some pretty incredible curries, and they've been known to share the wealth with savvy sailors who know to ask. Now, the real secret of Virgin Voyages is that the more you explore the edges of the ship, the more you're rewarded. Whether it's finding a hidden seating nook behind the dock or getting that special off-menu dish, these ships and voyages are designed for the curious. So if you're ready to set sail, click our book it link in the description to plan your getaway. And to help you see more with your money, we have procured exclusive pricing on a March 2027 sailing on the Resilient Lady. It's the perfect time to test out these secrets for yourself because it includes $100 in bar tab and $100 in sailor loot. So click the link for that special pricing and be sure to like and subscribe to see more.